Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to get Joom shopping for everyday application in your Android phone and iPhone. So you can see the name of the app, Joom shopping for everyday. So you can see the rating of the app 4.6 out of 5 and 3 million reviews. It means 3 million people write something about this app. And 18 megabyte, it's too light app. You can download this app in every device, and you can see 100 million plus people already downloaded this app or uses this app. Okay, so if you want to get any discount, affordable price, so worldwide shipping, okay, affordable price, special deals and customer reviews, so you can see this is online marketplace. And what you need to do to get this application, so simply tap on the install button. So it takes few moments to install in your device. Okay, so okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you, so please consider to subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, please let me know in comment below. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.